Imagine you're in an emergency. No time to think, just act. Did you know your iPhone has an SOS mode that can immediately call for help and even share your location with your loved ones? But here's the real question. Are you using it the right way? What is SOS mode? It's your iPhone's built-in feature that lets you quickly contact emergency services with just a few taps. Whether you're facing a medical emergency, stuck in a dangerous situation, or simply need help ASAP. How to activate SOS mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press and hold the side button plus one of the volume buttons until the emergency SOS slider appears. Slide to call, or keep holding to automatically call emergency services. For iPhone 7 and earlier, quickly press the side button 5 times to bring up the slider. Customizing emergency contacts. When SOS mode is triggered, your phone can automatically alert your chosen contacts, so they know where you are. Go to Settings, then App, then Health, and tap Medical ID. Scroll to Emergency Contacts, and add the people who should be notified. When and how to use it safely. You don't want to trigger SOS mode accidentally, right? If you're in a safe place, use the slider instead of the auto call feature. Be cautious of pressing the buttons unintentionally, especially if your phone is in your pocket or bag. Always double-check your emergency contacts to avoid reaching out to the wrong person. Bonus tips. Did you know that you can enable Call with Hold and Call with 5 presses to customize your emergency call settings? Go to Settings and Emergency SOS and tweak it according to your preference. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.